Welcome to the Hidden Forest, where the heart-shaped Nepenthes, a unique species of pitcher plants, nestled in the quiet corners of the tropical rainforest.
The temperature soared to nearly 39 degrees Celsius here in Manila on Sunday. That's the hottest on record for the Philippine capital.
Sa climate warming emissions, ang kawalan ng kagubatan.
Sa aerial video, makikita naman ang nakalbong bahagi ng 13,000 hectares na kagubatan.
However, today, this precious plant is on the edge of extinction. The process of climate change, deforestation, and others have pushed the heart-shaped Nepenthes to the brink of annihilation.
Together, each and every one of us has the power to work together in saving the heart-shaped Nepenthes. Let us join hands to make an effort in saving the well-being of the ecosystem.
Help us. Join us in saving the heart-shaped Nepenthes. Volunteer and spread our message everywhere. Together, we will protect the heart-shaped Nepenthes.
Save the tree, save our earth.
Magtulungan tayo. Magtulungan tayo.
Magtulungan tayo.